Tired of manual outreach? I was. So let me show you how AI will do it for you in less than 30 seconds. See, go to LinkedIn Sales Navigator, do your perfect search like I have right here. Go to demand, add the URL, tell the system to extract them, do the AI model. See here, we tell the system automatically to write the connection request, follow-up message, and then here we build our own call to action in the end of the day with delays between. Now when the model runs, you will see it right away. It downloaded Pascal. It took his about me information and wrote automatically a LinkedIn connection request personalized to him and a follow-up message personalized to him. Further, we go to the next person. You see Todd. Again, it's fully personalized. If I want to remove the LLC, we just do that and hit save. It's super simple. And once I'm ready, hit send to prospect. And again, it takes in the latest details like his latest LinkedIn post. If we follow up again here, David has really poor data, but again, it's writing a better LinkedIn connection request that I would do on a follow-up message. Admire CB's Capital mission as a family office. Your commitment to excellence and long-term growth inspires me and I like to connect. See, I wouldn't have come up with that automatically. This is the power of it. All you have to do is to send to prospect of every single person, review the data, and there you go. You're getting 80% connection request rate. You're doing follow-ups, and the system will automatically handling your outreach. That is the power of AI. So if you haven't done it yet, well, you should get to do it, otherwise somebody will do it. Here's an example of pending requests that haven't been accepted yet that have been sent out. And you see right here, it's putting in like he has over 20 years experience. It's mentioning the latest blog post that they did on LinkedIn, the latest post and everything. It is targeted to the person without you or I having to do any manual work. So get on demand today on usedemand.com. If you don't wait, your competitor will do. Thank you.